Alright, so today I'm just gonna go over the trades that I took, why I took them, and what was going on in my mind while I was taking these trades. So let's just jump right into it. First trade was QQQ. I took a total of 4 trades, 2 QQQs and 2 SPYs. The first one was at 9/11 QQQ puts, and the reason I took that was because the market looked like this. Let's see here. We had this 2-hour supply zone. It was a 2-hour supply zone right here that got formed, I think, last night. So as soon as we entered that zone, and I spotted this rejection right here around 9/11. Yeah, at 9/11, I took a short there, and my stop loss was basically above the highs right here. So I stayed in the trade till I think, let me see when I exited. The first trade was a winner. I got in at 225, sold at 264. I think it was like $39 profit only. Closed at 934. 934 is about right here. And the reason I closed it there was because of the VWAP, because the price usually bounces at VWAP. So whenever I'm shorting or even going long on something, I always try to like come out around the VWAP because the price seems to bounce around there. So it was a conservative exit. We ended up going way higher. I think the contracts ended up going over 50% up if I held, but I only had one contract, so I can't just be like holding till and hoping to catch the whole move. That's never gonna happen. If I had maybe like 3 or 4, then I could scale out maybe 3 at the VWAP and then let the other one run. But since I only had one, I just have to cut it. What I could do next time is look to re-enter, which is what I was trying to do, but I didn't really see like the risk to reward didn't make sense to me for me to re-enter another trade to keep it going, to the short side. So I just wait for the price action to develop, and if I could get a new story out of the market and react to it. Now let's get into my second trade. That was QQQ puts again at I got in at 227, closed at 202. It's like what, $25 loss. Got in at 955, closed at 1001. 955, where is that at? All right, so the market looked like this at that point. You could see that little wedge or bear flag right there. Exactly whenever I saw that was confirmation for me. And basically my price target was gonna be somewhere down there. I think my price target was like a 15-minute demand zone. That was somewhere down here. Yeah, this zone right here. Yeah, that was exactly my price target. But then what happened, we didn't get that continuation down there. All right, that was good, and then boom, we started reversing. My stop loss was basically above the highs right here. So if we kind of closed above that line right here, like this area, I was gonna exit. And what happened, that's exactly what happened. Right here around maybe 10 or 10:01 or 9:59, I don't know exactly what time I closed. Yeah, that's where I exited for a $25 loss. It was a good trade. If I see this 10 times out of 10, I'm going to be taking these trades. With a potential to the downside, yeah, I'm going to be taking them. I would say maybe the reward wasn't as good because my price target being right here, entering here doesn't make much sense. It would be kind of just scalping maybe for like a few points, which is not great, I would say. But yeah. Next was SPY calls at 216, close at 194. So another L here. I got it at 1026, closed at 1031. All right, let's check that out. 1026. All right, what was going on here? 1026. Okay, right here. All right, basically there was a 15-minute demand zone on SPY. Let me check it out. Yeah, this box right here, this green box right here. It was actually a 1-hour demand zone, I think. 1 hour, 30-minute, all of that. Yeah, right here. I was expecting a bounce of on SPY right here, which I would say was a pretty good trade, and my stop loss was down here, like below the lows and stuff. Or even if we exited the zone, then it becomes invalid, obviously. So I got in at, I think 1020, 1026, right? Yeah, 1026 when it looked like that, and stop loss basically right there. And I'm risking, little to probably, scalp it, or trade it till VWAP. I think the risk to reward is like maybe 1 to 2, or even 1 to 2.5 or something like that. But anyways, I got stopped out of this trade also somewhere here 1031 when it looked like that, and then that invalidated the zone, which I need to take it off and take it off my charts right there. And then what happened next is I think we got a rally, or did we not? The market was just sideways for a minute. Yeah, we did get that rally later on, but I'm not really gonna trade that, because when the zone is invalidated, you can't trade it again. You just take it off your chart, and that's it. You move on to the next one. And the final trade I took was probably this 4-hour demand zone that I think is still valid, because we never broke below it. This is that zone right here. This whole box, I couldn't make it better. I can draw it right here. Like that. Gotta make it green since the demand zone right here. All right, so that was the trade, the final trade. What time did I take that? It was 2 something, 2 at 212, closed at 221, got in at 209, closed at 183. Another L1. It was 1 winner and 3 losses. I have a small account, and I'm only trading 1 contract. So, I'm still learning, going slowly, not trying to size up too much. It's all about, the process. It's gonna go slow. I'm learning still. I don't want to size up and get my emotions involved. I gotta just keep it to 1 contract for now until I can prove myself that I can consistently make money with 1 contract. Then I can scale up. What time did I enter? Yeah, 212. All right, let's see what the market looked like at 212. 4-hour demand zone 212 was basically right here. Okay, yeah, it looked like that. We just tapped that demand zone right there, started reversing with volume right here, engulfing 3 candles. Pretty good trade in my opinion. If demand zones were holding, this would be a good trade with good potential to the upside. And my stop loss was basically kind of below the lows right here, and this one didn't work out. Big heavy volume coming in right there back into that demand zone. It looked like that, and I think I might have closed somewhere, yeah, down here, 1020 or 1021. Let me see. Closed at 1021. So basically, I stopped out of this trade right here when we're making lower lows. We made a new low, and I just decided to stop out. And that was it right there. What happened afterwards didn't quite work out. But I think around the end, last 15 minutes or so, we got this rally to the upside. What I would think is maybe trading 4-hour zones. I need to look for confirmation on like a higher time frame, because right now I'm looking for confirmation on like these. On the 1 minute, right here, it looked like that, but the 5 minute didn't look great to enter. The 5 minute did not look good to enter. I mean, the 1 minute looked good to enter, but not the 5 minute. Yeah, right there, I wouldn't have entered if it looked like that. This could have been a good one right here. This, I might be able to enter that one. This, I would enter it, or maybe enter above this this line right here. And what happened? Yeah, no entry. 15 minutes could be another good one. Okay, 15 minutes you would have entered kind of right here, and the market was about to close, so I would say there's no need unless you want to swing it. But yeah, guys, total net profit for the day, negative $34. Pretty small account. 1 winner, 3 losses. It's all about the learning process. I'm gonna keep it to 1 contracts. I'm gonna try to make these videos every day of the trades that I take, and then we'll just go from there. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys, and peace out.